You'll have love at first sight with the 2021 Jeep Cherokee. This vehicle still has fewer than 15,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Explore your world with confidence in the Cherokee. Its premium features keep you comfortable, while its rugged capability takes you wherever the road or trail leads. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, power liftgate, remote engine start, power passenger seat, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, dual zone AC. Feel relaxed and confident when you set out for adventure in the Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.